Welcome friends. Today in this video, I am going to explain about how AI is redefining personalization in a marketing. Means how AI added personalized value in a marketing. As compared to human, the AI generally creating a personalized touch in the form of marketing campaigns, copywriting, and creates a high value creations content with where the particular audience will be attract to your product and services to buy. So it's a very important how AI will help you to personalization in a marketing form. Okay, so there is a different points we are going to discuss on this particular video. So my name Lingara Senapati. Today in this video, I am going to explaining about how AI is redefining the marketing. Personalization added touch in a marketing. So first point coming out a data-driven customer insights. AI generally helps you to data-driven customer insights. Okay, AI mostly helps you collect the large amount of data in a different websites. It's a track the user behavior and analyze the user behavior, how user going to act on the specific product and service. So according to data, they are generally understand how the particular product and services, if you go for the on the basis of marketing and how whatever the copywriting going to be add on that particular product or service going to promote, that particular data driven customer insights we gives by the AI. So it's a very important and you cannot ignore this. So AI will be help you to generally analyze the customer data on the various sources such as where the particular browser behavior, social media interactions, demographic informations. Leveraging the machine learning models and techniques uncover patterns, trends, which is the data, and providing marketers with a deep insight of the customer preference, needs, and behaviors. The information allows marketers to tailor their message and offering to individuals customers for specific segments. It's a very important. It generally data driven will helps you to analyze the customer, analyze the behavior, analyze the social media demographics will helps us to take the decision how the promotions are going to be happening. Okay, it's a very important. You will get lots of things, lots of analysis on the data driven customer insights. Next, it is coming out as a dynamic content creation. Yes, this is the dynamic content creation. What is the meaning of dynamic content creation? AI powered tools are generate the personalized content by at a scale, leveraging the natural language processing and machine learning. AI can analyze customer data and create a customized messages, product recommendations, even entire campaigns. This particular helps the marketers deliver relevant and engaging content to the customers, enhancing the overall personalization of their marketing efforts. Dynamic content creation means there is a lots of tools in the market that it helps you to build the content in the form of different aspects. Like if you are generally writing a text, okay, writing the content for the marketing content or marketing promotion content, and to convert that content to the audio form, you can, there is a tools are there to take where the text to audio form, the contents are going to be converted in a specific voice also. And that particular audio, if you want to convert in a video form, then you can convert it. So that is the way of how the AI helps you to get the relevant content ideas, to convert that content ideas in different variations, and then that content is going to be published on the different forms of ways in different platforms. So it's a very interesting way how AI is personalized touch is added in your marketing and promotions. Next, we comes to the as a predictive analytics. What is predictive analytics? Predictive analytics means you already understood that that's a tracking. Okay, that is a tracking of the AI, how AI track your customer behavior, analysis, everything. So AI is a predicting model. Okay, predictive means that's a predictions. Okay, allowing marketers to anticipate the customer behavior preferences by analyzing the data, historical data, and AI algorithms can also identify the patterns and predict future actions such as purchase likelihood, churn probability. Okay, what is the churn? Churn rate means what are the number of aspects are going to be not added in your value. Okay, the audiences which are not giving any value, and they can measure that audiences which are not creating any impact on your particular product and services if they buy that product. Marketers can use the insights to design personalized marketing strategies, make recommended products or services to optimize customers' journey. Okay, it's very important to build the predictive analytics historic on the basis of historical data by gathering the different ways like social media, web analytics, anywhere they're gathering the data, analyze how much there is chances of buying their product and services, how much churn rate is going to be happen. So it's important. You cannot ignore this predictive analytics. It's a very creative way they can analyze the each and every aspect of the particular marketing point, how the product is going to be work on the future basis. Also, they can give the results on the gathering of that data. Okay. Next, we move on to the another very important point is called as a chatbot and virtual assistant. Chatbot and virtual assistant. Chatbot and virtual assistant, in my previous videos also discuss about how AI nowadays impact on the day-to-day life. Chatbots and virtual assistant is the very important on the business aspect. If someone, visitors or unknown person coming to your site and wants to know about more about the information which are or what are the services or products are we are going to be deliver, and that services to deeper understanding, the chatbots are very play a very important role. Why? Because chatbots are generally is automated. There is no human intervention. Whatever you write on the chatbot, accordingly your request or whatever the command you are generated, according to understand that by the chatbot, and they reply according to the particular way. So chatbots behaves like a human beings, and the way you can design the chatbots, the particular problems which are customers or audiences which are coming in their day-to-day life, how that particular product and service is going to be solved when the particular visitor or audience are going to buy. So chatbots are very important. You can't ignore it. You have to add the chatbots and virtual assistants, which will help the business of particular businesses to grow. Okay, and gathering the lots of leads. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistant provide the personalized customer interaction, understanding natural language context. Intelligent system can offer tailored recommendations, answers the queries, provide support and guidance customers through their buying journey. It's a very important point, because if you not without human intervention, anytime the particular audience or user coming to your website and wants to know what type of product or service, if they buy the product and services, what type of value they are get after the get buying the product. So it's a very important. If you give the actual result, actual value proposition, and then the particular product is going to be sold. So it's a support is very important. Guidance of the customer is very important. By leveraging the AI, business can deliver real-time personalized assistance, enhancing the customer experience and driving engagement. Yes, it's a customer experience will be increases and engagement will be also increase. It's a very important. You cannot ignore the chatbots and virtual assistants, because it's a leverage the business, and for us adding the personalized assistance also, because inside the business you cannot hire a person on the day to day with night also, because one person is generally, if you added the more and more that particular assistants provide the particular business, then it's a cost is going to be high. If you use the chatbots and virtual assistants, then it's a very minimalist cost. You can add the value by providing the guidance to your customers, and it will help you for the growing of the business. Next, we move on to the targeted advertising. Yes, it's a hyper targeted advertising. What is the meaning of hyper targeted advertising? AI facilitates the precise targeting. Yes, precise means very accurate and very sharp focused targeting. When they analyze the audience on the specific area and specific demographics, they can target in a hyper focus. The advertising means here, whatever the copy you have to write, by the help of the AI, they understand what are the audience mindset and what are the audience viewpoint. then the copy is going to be very helpful for you. So the personalized advertising, analyzing the user behavior, a algorithm can identify individual interest, preferences, and intent. Very important. That's the point is what is very important, intent. Because intent in general describes what user wants. Okay, what the audience want. The information enables the marketers to deliver highly targeted, relevant ads to the specific customer segments, maximizing the chances of conversions, improving ROIs. Yes, it's a hyper-targeted advertising. So you cannot ignore this. Without AI, you cannot add the personalized value because AI understands the user human behavior, analyzing the interest of the user behavior with intent, and it will generally helps you to target the relevant, build the relevant ads on specific segments, maximizing the chances of conversion and improving the ROI. Very important. We need any particular business that is a conversion and ROI. Okay, ROI means return of investment. Okay. Recommendations engines. What is recommendations engine? There are the different types of systems are nowadays is a built, that is called AI driven recommendations engines. Analyze the customer data to provide personalized products recommendations. By understanding the user preferences and behaviors, these engines can suggest relevant products and services, increasing the cross-selling, upselling opportunities. Personalized recommendations enhance the customer experience driven, driving engagement and loyalty. Okay, it's a very important. If you build it, there's a lots of tools are there which will increasing the cross-selling, upselling by help of the recommendations. Because nowadays, when you're going to buy add any or increase your ROI, you need the cross-selling and upselling. Because if the customer coming to your site and it's a conversion, if you want to add some value to the customers and giving the so much deep interest to the relevant products, you need to add the customers. Sorry, you need to increase the cross-selling, upselling opportunities. Because the behaviors, if you understand, you can give in the relevant products and services where the cross-selling and upselling is up. Yes, there is a customer recommendation is the very important. Then last, not a least, that's called A by B testing and optimization. What is A by B testing and optimization? Whenever you're going to run any ads, okay, there is a two forms of ads we are going to run. So where we have to write the two prospect of the copywriting where the particular users, audiences are going to be clicked. So if there is a first ad form is called A and the second ad form is called a B, and you have to track that particular audience behavior on the analytics, which ads are generally going to be more clicks, which ads are giving the more engagement, which ads gives a more impression by the Facebook, and the what are the percentage of reaching to coming to your website. It's generally we can optimize that particular form by help of the A by B testing and optimization. So AI can automate and optimize the marketing experiments by conducting A by B test at scale. By analyzing the vast amounts of data, AI algorithm can quickly to identify patterns and insights, helping marketers understand which variants of the campaigns or content perform better. So this enables marketers to refine their personalization strategies and continuously improve their marketing efforts. So these are the very important A by B testing and optimizations. Okay. So these are the very important points which we are discussed here, how AI added its personalized touch in their marketing. So without AI, it's a very difficult to understand or very difficult to analyze which type of product and service and what type of customers are there and how their customers are generally going to buy their product and services. It's a very tough for you nowadays. So AI will help you on these strategies, how that particular audience and customers are going to be convert and increase your business ROI. Okay, that's all. If you like this video, please click on the like button and click on the bell icon. When I'm going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you.